You can celebrate wonderful memories while you gather with loved ones and enjoy a warm and comforting aroma of this specific oil blend. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the doTERRA Harvest Spice Essential Oil Blend, also known as the Gathering Blend. The common uses for this are aromatics, so breathing it in, as well as topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there. The main benefits of the Harvest Spice Blend is that you can gather your loved ones for a warm, inviting, and comforting aroma for the holidays. It also fills up the home with an uplifting fall scent where you can't help but feel happier. And this is because when you breathe in the oils, they go straight into the limbic part of your brain, which controls your mood and emotions, and so breathing in the essential oils is the fastest way to positively affect your mood. When it comes to the directions for use, you can add 3 to 5 drops in a 5-hour diffuser or 6 to 10 drops in a 10-hour diffuser for a mood boost during season changes. And it also can clean the air of impurities as well. And so when people are feeling a little under the weather, or if there's just stuff in the air that is synthetic or toxic, this oil has a lot of different essential oils in it that can help you out. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on.